Orlando Pirates rising star Lobogile Mofokeng is fast becoming one of the most talked about names in South African football, renowned for his extraordinary skill set and confidence on the ball. The 19-year-old midfielder has reignited the debate about showboating, a hallmark of South African football culture. While some critics see it as a distraction, others, including former Kaizer Chiefs icon Jabu Mahlangu, hail Mofokeng's artistry as a vital expression of local football identity. Mofokeng has earned praise for seamlessly integrating flair into his game without compromising productivity. His performances for Orlando Pirates and the national team Bafana Bafana have drawn comparisons to the golden days of South African football, where skills and creativity defined the game. Mahlangu was speaking on the Soccer Zone and said, "He is still young, he's growing, he's learning. I'm happy with the way Hugo Bros is managing him. Whenever he's given an opportunity, he rises to the occasion. He is bringing back the type of football we love in South Africa from Ekasi." Mahlangu, a player once celebrated for his own dazzling skills, emphasized that Mofokeng's showboating is productive and purposeful, and said, "What I like about him is that he doesn't abuse it. Everything he does it at the right time." Showboating has always divided opinions in the Premier Soccer League. While some fans and pundits celebrate it as a signature of South African football, others argue it can detract from the game's focus on goals and results. This season, players like Mofokeng, Patrick Maswanganyi of Orlando Pirates, and Kaizer Chiefs Mfundo Vilakazi have been at the center of this debate, drawing both admiration and criticism. The Mamelodi Sundowns coach Manqoba Mnetsi, a vocal critic of unnecessary flair, has made his stance clear and said, "For me, what excites me is to see the ball hitting the back of the net." Manqoba Mnetsi said this during a press conference ahead of the Carling Knockout final, and said, "I can substitute a player immediately if I feel they're overdoing it. Football is about results, and scoring goals should always be the priority." Manqoba Mnetsi, known for his pragmatic approach, believes showboating risks undermining opponents rather than respecting them, and said, "I regard opponents as just that. Opponents, not enemies. I don't want to make a laughingstock of them. If we are better, we should show it by scoring more goals." Despite the differing opinions, Mofokeng has shown that creativity and efficiency can coexist. His ability to blend artistry with tactical awareness has been evident in recent performances, including during Bafana Bafana's friendly against South Sudan. Fans are eager to see if he will continue to showcase his skills on the continental stage. For now, Mofokeng's style is a reminder of the vibrancy of South African football, as Mahlangu aptly put it, that the fans need to see players like Riley doing what they do best. It's how we express ourselves as South Africans, gifted, creative, and unique. The key is knowing when and how to use those skills to win games. As the debate rages on, one thing remains certain: Mofokeng is a player to watch, embodying the blend of tradition and innovation that could define the future of South African football. We are now moving on to Mohaung Kotza, from the brink of the despair to CAF Champions League hero. The Orlando Pirates' 20-year-old rising star Mohaung Kotza etched his name into club folklore last night with a stunning brace that secured a crucial 2-1 victory over CR Belouizdad in the CAF Champions League. The match, held in Algeria, was not just a triumph for Buccaneers, but a personal milestone for Kotza, whose story is one of resilience, faith, and determination. As the young forward sprinted toward the corner flag, his teammates in tow, the joy on his face mirrored the culmination of a dream. Yet, behind the exuberance lies a tale of overcoming a nightmare that almost ended his football career before it had truly begun. Kotza's journey took a dark turn earlier this year on March 24, 2024, during a Disc Challenge match against Kaizer Chiefs in Tsakane. What began as another promising outing for the Kimberley-born attacker ended in devastation when a neck injury left him writhing in pain and rushed to the hospital. Doctors were uncertain about the severity of the injury, and the symptoms, dizziness and limited neck mobility, painted a grim picture. As he lay in the hospital bed, uncertainty consumed him. Tabang Lipule recalled and said, while we were waiting for the results, Muhau was distraught. A Pirates Club official who stayed by Nkosa's side throughout the ordeal and said he kept asking, am I going to play again? Is my career over? It was heartbreaking to see his fear. For Nkotsa, the wait was excruciating. It was one of the toughest moments of my life, he admitted. I had just started training with the first team and was playing some of the best football in the DCC. Then suddenly everything was taken away. After hours of uncertainty, a glimmer of hope emerged. Though the road to recovery will be long, the injury wasn't career ending. Still, the process of rehabilitation was fraught with challenges. Gotsa said my return to playing was slow and mentally taxing. I had dizzy spells and constant headaches. But through God's grace and the support of my loved ones, I overcame. Months of relentless effort saw Goddard defy expectations. Determined to prove his mettle, he gradually reclaimed his place on the pitch. Now, just 7 games into his professional career, the young forward is making waves with 4 goals to his name, including last night's unforgettable double. He is fast becoming a fan favorite. Gotsa said it's hard to put into words what this means to me. Visibly emotional after the victory and said scoring twice in such an important match is a dream come true. I'm so grateful to everyone who believed in me and to this incredible club. Gotsa's performance against CR Belouizdad has sent ripples of excitement through Orlando Pirates faithful. The mighty Buccaneers, as the team is affectionately known, now look to him as a symbol of hope and inspiration. At just 20 years old, Nkotsa has already proven he possesses not only talent but an indomitable spirit. His story is one of triumph over adversity, a dream realized after conquering a nightmare. As Nkotsa continues his journey in the black and white stripes, one thing is clear, this young man is destined for greatness. And with every step, he carries the unwavering belief that no setback is too great to overcome. Orlando Pirates, it seems, have found their next talisman.